This is the second video in the installation of Getting Started tutorials for the numerous NEPI device. In today's video, I will provide a quick introduction to NEPI's Network Shared User Drive, where users can manage their saved data, AI models, automation scripts, and user settings, along with many other features. The NEPI drive is made available as a shared network, making it easy to connect to and manage your NEPI system. Similar to the last tutorial, I will be using an embedded processor box that includes an embedded GPU with the NEPI engine software installed. I have the NEPI enabled processor powered up and connected to a Windows 11 laptop via Ethernet adapter. This tutorial assumes you have already configured your PC to connect to a NEPI enabled device as demonstrated in the previous video. The NEPI user storage drives folder and files are accessible through your PC's file manager at the same address as the NEPI RUI. Just open a file manager on your PC and enter the NEPI user storage drive's address in the folder bar. You'll be prompted for a username and password when you open it for the first time, and the default NEPI storage username and password are both NEPI and all lowercase. After entering credentials, you should see the user drive's folder shown, and from here you can upload, delete, edit, and modify files as needed to manage your data and system configuration. The AI models folder is where you can upload and manage your AI detection models. The automation scripts folder is where you can upload and manage your automated scripts. The data folder is where you can download and manage any onboard logged data. Your databases folder is where you can upload and manage any required databases. The docs folder is where you can find software manuals and API documents. The installs folder is where you would copy software installation files that you want to access for installation. Your license folder is where you can download license requests and upload new license files. The logs folder is where you can find system, ROS, and automation log files created during normal operation. Your NEPI full IMG folder is where you can upload NEPI software version and update files. The NEPI full IMG archive folder is where you can download NEPI software backup and cloning files. And lastly, the user config folder is where you can edit your system's configuration files used during the NEPI boot process. Hopefully this video gives you an idea of how NEPI simplifies accessing onboard data and configuration with a NEPI device without requiring any deep embedded system experience. In the next video, I will be demonstrating NEPI's built-in AI and automation applications.